Yo, YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Frank Nitty, and we back with another video. Man, I'm up here at All Star Automotive in Covington, Georgia, man. Had to bring that truck up here. So today what I'm gonna do with the Silverado, we getting a muffler delete. I think it's called a wide pipe. They gonna turn it into duals with a converter delete. The third converter, we're gonna take that off. So, and we're gonna put some black tips on it. And so then we'll see how everything look from there, and how it sound, how we like it. Cause at first it was quiet. Last night I put some lights underneath. I'm still waiting on my rocker lights right now. So as soon as I get them in, I'm gonna go ahead and put them on. I'm waiting on my custom box to be built. We're gonna go with 4/8 Scar Audios for the system. I already got the LMI welding 3-inch rear seat lift kit. So me and my homeboy might end up putting that on today. But I just want to drop y'all a quick update. We most definitely be back with y'all, you know what I'm saying, in a minute. Once we see what these results like. I'm excited, man. I'm excited. Can't really move around, walk around like I want to because it's raining outside, but I'm excited. As soon as he done, you know what I'm saying, most definitely y'all. But we are going with 26-inch rims with the 35-inch mud tires. So that's gonna be the setup with the rocket lights, with the music. We're gonna most definitely do a paint job on it. I might just go with a pearl white, or I might end up wrapping it. I don't know yet, but it's about to get crazy. It's about to get crazy with this truck. I'm extra excited, overly excited. You know what I'm saying? I got, as you probably seeing, like, you know what I'm saying, up under the truck. My truck is from Canada. That's why I was able to get my truck for the price that I got it. Up under it got surface rust, like all up under the truck. You know what I'm saying? But I did get a pricing. So that's gonna be the next step, is to get the truck undercoated. You know what I'm saying? So we can get all that rust from up under there and get it back black, just the way, you know what I'm saying, as if it just came from the factory. But I'm gonna check back in it with y'all in a little bit. Nice, yeah. That thing doing nice. What's going on, man? This is 5.0?
Nah, P6.
Oh, for real? Sounded like that?
Yeah. I actually came here to see if I could change it up a bit.
Hey, yeah, that's badass right there, man. And it sound good, though.
Get louder, though.
Get louder?
Yeah. Right now I'm running short headers, stock cats, on Resonator, spikes, straight high top cats. So I'm wanting to get rid of the stock cats and then put 4 small resonators on there.
Oh,
so open it up a lot more, but still keep it somewhat, like, get rid of the rasp.
Oh, yeah. That rasp kill, man. How the drone is?
The drone, right now, it's not bad at all. Like, I can hardly hear it after like third gear. But so it's a big setup. It goes away around like 4,000 RPM or 4th gear.
Oh yeah.
So it won't be too bad.
Oh yeah. That's a nice one. Got the market gas cap.
I don't like pollen season. Pissing me off. But I gotta watch this thing I do.
What color wrap is this?
Vivid satin black gold.
Okay.
I think they discontinued it.
All these American muscle parts? leveling kit. Don't look bad at all. Yeah, YouTube, so that is it. We got the muffler delete, resonator delete, third cat delete. We put the blade tips on them. We put the 3-inch SDT leveling kit. And, you know, I'm satisfied with the way it ride. We got the rocker lights on. Not the rocker lights, but the strips. I'm waiting on the rocker lights to come in. I'm waiting on the rims and the tires. We doing 26-inch rims replicas on some 35, I think, inch off-roads. And we will be, no, we ain't gonna be done. I'm gonna get the interior did, and I'm gonna also get, the interior did, and then, oh, I got the 3-inch rear lift kit for the seats, so we could go ahead and put them 4.8s in here. And after that, this truck will be done. It's not cheap. I spent what, $1,300? So this stuff not cheap. When we do more upgrades, I'll most definitely be keeping, you know what I'm saying, y'all in the loop with this truck build. I only had the truck 2 weeks. I ain't drove it that much, and I love it. Oh, that level just do something else, like. But I most definitely get back with y'all. I appreciate y'all for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and all that extra stuff. And I'll be getting back with y'all on another one. Peace.